just barely dried. He was dragged here. Wonder where from.
Looks like I'm coming up to a werewolf very soon. Nasty. Taking off for lunch. Catch you later, man. Hey, Dark Puppy. How are you today? Is everything all good? I'm about to kill a werewolf, I think. Wait for nightfall. Oh shit. It's on like Donkey Kong. All is good, that's good. Oh crap, I don't know about my health. Wow. Get wrecked, werewolf.
No! Stop! Don't harm him!
What's going on?
Think we need to
Oh, look
talk.
at the runes.
It's Neelan!
See, it's too fluffy, I might
Lycanthropy
probably
can
die.
afflict anyone, but it is a curse, so sorry, but I have to.
You don't understand! I love him! He was near to being mine till you came along! Go away! Leave us be!
Not till I find out what's going on here.
I love him! Always have! Even after I'd learned his secret.
You knew? Did you know I shut myself in here to wait out me change?
I knew, and I didn't mind. But you chose Hannah. I wanted her to see you. I wanted her to fear you. She'd not have stayed. And we could be together.
You brought her here. That night. 'Twas the reason I had the taste of blood in me mouth come morn.
I did it for us.
Really?
She was to see you turn, not more. I didn't want her death. You've got to believe me.
I don't. And I'll kill you willingly. First time for that, in fact.
This is
deserves
between
it.
the two of you. I refuse to meddle, but cross my path again, and I will kill you.
No! Mercy!
You had no mercy for your sister. I'll have none for you.
Told you I'd kill you.
I knows well what you said. Do it.
It's not bad.
If you want death, find some reins and a tree with a strong limb.
Wouldn't work. Couldn't do it. Always been a coward. Do it. Please.
How's that bad? I let him seek revenge for a bear. Oh crap. did that bear want to hit? Holy crap. That was quite the damage. Nelson's key. Oh, okay. Kicks the crap out of a pack of wolves and a werewolf dies to bear. Yep. Bears are OP, man. OP as. Hunting trousers. Some kind of armor. Nice. Alright, I'll definitely grab them. Aw. That one's better. Bugger. Bear, indeed. OP bear. That'd be funny if you found a bear eating a werewolf. True that. Poor Bambi. Torn out page, echidna, something. Sirens. Okay. Save that. Succubi. Ikimaras. Higher vampires. What the hell? Some kind of treasure. Let's get it. Oh, that's pretty far away. Wait. It's in the water? Oh man. He's one hell of a swimmer. Uh-oh. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Yeah. Yeah. Next time I come live, it's just gonna be a playthrough of me swimming. quite epic. Oops, didn't mean to use two. I don't know how to get in. Swimming Simulator 2015. Damn, that hurts. Oh, thank God. Wrecked. Played a couple of hours of Mad Max, seems okay so far, but not a fan of the interaction button to deal with everything in the game. Nice looking game though, and rock solid performance at max settings. Oh yeah? So what, is it like one button controls every action? Get Mad Max from Steam. Alright. Didn't know you could loot without actually looting. Okay, yep, not messing with that.